another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today we've got one that came out of an umai crate. Go to japancrate.com. Use the coupon code the Ramen Raider and get yourself a discount. This is Itomen and their seafood miso. That sounds good to me. I've tried the other varieties from this range and they've been quite good. So that is what we will do. One noodle block. And a sachet of seasoning. Alright. That for it. What do we got? 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Cool. That'll be it for me for this week. Yeah. It's Friday. I'm excited about that. What am I doing this weekend? I really don't know. I couldn't tell you. I'll be doing something, but I'm not sure at the moment exactly what. I know my sister's going to come down today. She went up to Canada, ladies and gentlemen, and brought me some peanut butter. And I love me some Canadian peanut butter. You know, with the two little bears on the big jug. Oh, boy, it's so good. Crunchy peanut butter from Canada. It's so much cheaper. I think she said it was like 10 bucks Canadian for a 2-kilogram monstrosity of this peanut butter, and it's good peanut butter. I like it better than everything down here. The Skippy's pretty good, but it's Kraft, and I'm a peanut butter aficionado. Yeah, I don't know what I'm doing this weekend. I gotta do something. It's tricky though, because we don't want to leave the dog here and have it like tear up the house and bark the whole time, so somebody's got to be here. Or I'll like leave and be like, then they go do stuff and come back. Like, I watched the dog all week long. I needs to do something. It's just too much for me. Yeah. But my mouth is just like, last review that I did had a lot of Szechuan pepper in it. So there's that. And this one is going to need a special ingredient, and I think that's this right here. Yes. So there's a company called Homia, and the lady there sells stuff like this. And this is where it's at. Malaysian crispy sambal. You can get like, she's got a meal kit for rendang, one for laksa, and one for... There were 3. Red curry, Malaysian red curry. I think that was it. And they were all like absolutely excellent. Bringing flavors of Southeast Asia to the United States. Yes. HOMIAH.com. Good stuff. And this is like chili crisp, but it's also she's calling it Malaysian crispy sambal. This is hai bi hiam, and hai bi hiam is like, think Laogan mas, like you see chili crisp, but a prawn version. So if you like Hokkien prawn, like Malaysian Hokkien prawn, not the Singaporean one. If you like stuff like that, if you like prawn that's so strong that it makes your like mind do things that it shouldn't. Yeah. It's so good, my mind's doing things it shouldn't. Yeah. Seafood miso. Yeah. Oh, that's hot. I forgot so much Szechuan pepper oil because the last one I ate the whole dang thing, and it's like my mouth seems a little confused. I think I need like a palate cleanser. What would be a good palate cleanser that we have? I don't think we have any chips. You know what's really good is Cheetos and Dr. Pepper. Not as a palate cleanser, I'm just saying I really like Cheetos and Dr. Pepper. Haven't had that in a while. I only do that once in a blue moon. Our noodle. I don't know if I'm enjoying this. I don't think I like this. I like their shoyu and their shio. But it's like, it's making me think of Campbell's minestrone soup, and that's not right. It ain't right. You understand? We'll fix it up. Come here. Let's fix it up. All right. We need a bowl. That's a bowl. I really wish it was easier to angle this thing to where it... Whoa, that was crazy business. I actually pushed a button, and I did not mean to push that button. Absolutely did not mean to push that button. No comb over. I am not going to do the comb over. Not for this noodle, no. There's some chashu. Chashuness. Do I want to do the egg? I don't know. I'm kind of neither here nor there on the egg. I know what I do want to do is that sambal crisp. There's my unhealthy amount of spring onion. Mung bean sprout. And yeah, I'm going to forego the egg because those eggs are kind of like too far along. Man. So I'm just going to treat this as I would, what do you call it? Like lao gan ma. I'm just going to put a nice big chunk of it right there. And it's crispy, and it tastes like prawns, and it's wonderific. Go get some if you know what's good for you. And we will finally add a slice of noodle fish cake. Right there. All right. There we go. Do it to it.
Bye-bye.